Hi, I'm Master Plumber Ed Grande, and a very common place for a toilet to leak is at the flapper valve. For those of you who don't know what a flapper is, let me show you. A flapper is a little rubber seal, and that's located at the base of the toilet tank. Now this covers the hole in the tank, and when you pick up the chain, the water rushes down that hole and flushes the toilet. Then the flapper closes and the tank refills. If you have a slow leak in your flapper, that water in the tank, it's going to constantly drain, and that could wear out the parts and waste a lot of water in your toilet. Now that you know what a flapper is, let me show you how to check if your flapper is working properly. First, go over to your supply valve. That gives the water to the toilet tank, and just shut that off so no water can enter the tank. Then take off the tank lid, and you'll notice on the upper part of the tank you'll have your water line or your water level. Now you can put some dye in there, and if the flapper's not working properly, that dye will eventually leak out into the bowl without flushing, and that'll let you know there is a flapper problem. Or you can do what I do, and this is an easy way since magic markers are very handy. Just go back to your water level or your water line and make a mark where the water meets the porcelain. Now you could leave for a couple of hours because the tank is off, and if you come back, if you notice that your water level has dropped a little bit, well, that's a good indication that your flapper is leaking and it needs to be replaced. To replace it, since the water's off anyway, just drain all the water out of the tank by flushing it. Take your old flapper and then go down to the supply house with that flapper so you can get the exact match, because there are dozens out there and it's very easy to pick up the wrong flapper. Once you've determined which flapper will fit your toilet, my last bit of advice is never go out and get the generic brands or the fit-all ones, because you always want to use genuine factory parts. And that's how you fix a faulty flapper.